So we won't need to worry if we want to put it in our luggage or anything. It's only, for instance, like if you wanted to prep your toolbox or your car.
Yeah, if you're hiding it to protect equipment, then this is what you need to do. And so if you remove that, push down and twist, right, accesses the battery. And then we mark 3 spots that we have to slide a knife in, and they are where these recesses are. There's one there, and one there, and one there. So you just mark where you need to be, like so, and then you slide your knife in just on that edge, and then bend it to lever it out, and you should be working. That's it, that's one done. You hear the click, and you go to this one. That's 2. 3. Right, that's the speaker, and all we have to do is get that out. And it should just come straight out. A little bit of glue on it. There we go, that's out and done. Sometimes if you do it, you might find it still attached to the lid like that, and all you do is slide your knife underneath it, get rid of it. Well, line that hole up with that there, snap it all back together. That's one click. That's 2 clicks. That's 3 clicks. That's all done. And then put battery back in. Perfect. And then you just set this up as you would. If you don't do that, and you put it on your piece of equipment, you hide it, or even in your car, and the thief goes away with it, within a certain period of time, it will start alarming, because it thinks you're a person and you're being stalked.